Stories is coming to the LinkedIn platform. Stories will be finally utilized on LinkedIn as a popular trend that's seen on other platforms. LinkedIn has been rolling out stories at a beta level right now, and it expects to come out soon, and businesses and people alike will have an opportunity to not only engage with their audiences, but also create compelling business content, such as how an event went, bite-sized thought leadership, and a whole range of different applications that are going to be more personal in engaging your professional audiences. We're looking forward to the rollout of stories, and we can't wait to get started and adopting it for all of our communications. So let me know how your experiences with stories has been before, and what do you think would be a good business application for stories? I'd be curious to hear what your opinions are, so leave a note below. Thanks for watching. Now, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every day I'm publishing videos on growth hacking, digital marketing, how to be a successful entrepreneur. I really want to enable you to become a decision maker in your own business in the future of work. So if you want to come along with me on this journey, hit subscribe, hit notifications, and I'll talk to you real soon.